You've probably seen all those crazy TikTok recipes and you're wondering if they're any good. Well, today we're gonna test them out. My name is Kathy from Fabulous.com and I am here with my friend Kristen from Six Sisters Stuff, and we are teaching people how to use their air fryer. Kristen also teaches people how to use their Instant Pot plus their air fryer. So I picked out 3 air fryer TikTok recipes.
Then over on my channel, I picked out 3 TikTok air fryer recipes too. So make sure, watch these first, then come over to my channel and watch which 3 I chose.
Yes, we are gonna rate them and let you know if we think they are worth making for your family.
Yes.
Are you ready? Let's go. So I've had a lot of viewers ask me if we could do fried rice in the air fryer. I found it on TikTok. Yes, indeed, you can.
I swear you can do everything in the air fryer.
You absolutely can. You can. Let's go check it out right now. This one's simple. Here's the ingredients that you need. Start with about 2 to 3 cups of some cooked rice. It can be leftover rice. Then a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, 2 eggs that are scrambled, and then throw in some frozen veggies there. I'm using about half a bag, a 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, and then about a cup of some already cooked chicken that's cut up. I'm just using some store-bought stuff today. And then a splash of soy sauce or coconut aminos and some sesame oil. The TikTok recipe, of course, didn't have measurements, so I just eyeballed it. Give it a stir, and then I am pulling out my Wave Loo silicone pot here. It's perfect for these types of recipes. Fill your bowl with the rice, and then you'll just pop that right in the air fryer. Now, if you don't have a bowl, you can use any sort of oven-safe bowl. I'm gonna throw this in at 350 for 8 minutes. Here at the halfway point, I'm just gonna give it a stir, and it's smelling good. We'll let that finish up and check it out. Oh boy, it looks so tasty. Hello, steam. Oh man, we just couldn't wait to give this one a try. So beautiful. Air fryer fried rice. Let's go.
Yes. Hey, I never thought to do fried rice in the air fryer before.
Super easy.
I'd probably give it, 5 out of 5 for me. 5 out of 5.
Done. Recommended.
Yes.
Have you seen the fun things they do with the tortilla wraps, like fold.
Yes, I haven't done it yet, though.
I know. I'm so excited to test this out and see. They usually do it on a skillet top.
Yes, or like a panini press or something. Yeah.
So we're gonna do it in the air fryer because air fryer. Let's go. So for this one, you just need some protein. I'm using about a 1/2 pound of ground beef, and just throw in some spices. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of each. Chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and stir that up. Then grab your flour tortillas, and you're just gonna use a knife or pizza cutter and cut it right there, just halfway in the middle. And then it is ready to become a fold over wrap thingamajigger. So on a 1/4 of it, you're gonna put your protein on. And then for this one, I'm gonna add on some sour cream. Just spread that out. Just eyeball it, do any sort of amount you'd like. And then add some cheese. I'm using some shredded queso cheese, yum yum. And a spoonful of some pico. And this is the fun part. Fold in half, fold it in half again, and one more time. It's a little tricky, but it's actually easier than you think it will be. Check it out. We just whipped up a total of 4 of these with our toppings. These would be fun to do with your family. Everybody could make their own. And I was able to fit 4 right there in my air fryer. You do want to be sure you spray the basket first because we want these to crisp right up there. Place those tortillas right in the basket and give it one more little spray. By the way, I'm using avocado oil today. Pop it in the air fryer, and let's go 380 for about 3 minutes, and we will check on it. Ooh, let's check it out. Nice, those are perfectly browned.
Oh, those are perfect.
And they are hot, hello. Give them a quick little flip. And I don't even have to spray them, we still have oil on the other side. And pop in for 3 more minutes. Look at that. Here are the beef taco wraps. It is time to taste test these.
My favorite part.
They look so good. These would be good dipped into other things, right?
Right. Maybe salsa, guacamole, whatever. Oh. 5 stars. 5 stars for me.
And way more crunch. And you could do chicken. You could do dessert wraps.
Yes.
That'd be good. Okay, this one's a winner. Yeah. Next recipe is hibachi chicken with yum yum sauce. Oh my goodness. This is chicken, all your veggies, all at the same time, all in the air fryer.
It's my favorite. That's literally my favorite kind of meal.
Yes, done. Let's check this one out. You'll just need to do a smidge of chopping beforehand. It's so easy though, you guys. Start with 2 small chicken breasts and cut them into bite-sized pieces. An onion cut into slices, 1 or 2 small zucchinis, and my favorite part, mushrooms cut into quarters, a teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. You know I love my garlic. Then pour in a 1/4 cup of soy sauce and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Give that a good stir, and then just pop it right into your air fryer. Level it out, and oh, you know it, we're gonna cook it up at 380 for about 20 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm gonna make the yum yum sauce. It's a cup of mayonnaise, I'm just eyeballing it here, a teaspoon of tomato paste or ketchup, and then the seasonings are a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Then add in a tablespoon of melted butter, and guess what, you guys? I forgot to add a 1/4 cup of water to this. So it should be runnier, but it's okay. This still tasted fantastic. Here we are at the halfway point, and oh my goodness, it is looking really nice.
It's not bad, huh? That looks delicious.
Yeah. And let's pull out the instant read thermometer to see how that chicken's doing. And you know what? It's looking good, so I don't think it needs 10 more minutes. I'm gonna reduce the time down to 5 more minutes, and we'll check on it. And look at this, it's looking fantastic. Let's go taste test. Hibachi chicken. We got some cute little yum yum sauce.
This might be my favorite part. I love
Ready?
yum yum sauce. That is good. Sometimes chicken dries out in the air fryer, but this one
works well.
one's good. Yeah.
Yeah, just use your instant read thermometer.
There we go.
And you don't worry about it. So we're cooking.
Yes, every time.
So good. You will find Kristen's TikTok air fryer recipes right here. And I have a bunch more air fryer recipes for you right here. See you on the next video.